In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Renko chart on TradingView. If you've ever wanted a cleaner way to view price action without the constant noise of time-based candles, Renko is a great option. It focuses purely on movement, building bricks only when price moves by a certain amount, which makes trends and reversals easier to spot at a glance. Start with your chart open in TradingView. Look toward the top left of the charting interface. Right next to the Indicators button, you'll see a small graph icon. This is the chart type selector. Sometimes it shows a candlestick or bar icon, depending on what you're currently using. Go ahead and click that icon. From the menu that appears, choose Renko. As soon as you select it, your chart will switch over to Renko mode. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your view to a Renko chart. Now, a quick note on what you're seeing and why it looks different. Renko charts replace traditional candles with uniform bricks. A new brick forms only when price moves a set amount in one direction. Time doesn't control when bricks appear. Rising bricks typically stack upward and falling bricks stack downward, helping you see momentum more clearly. Because time isn't the driver, the spacing along the time axis can look irregular, and you may notice fewer sudden wiggles compared to regular candlesticks. This is normal, and part of what makes Renko effective at filtering noise. If your interface looks slightly different, perhaps due to screen size, theme, or layout, don't worry. That chart type icon will still be next to the Indicators button, and it will still open the same list that includes Renko. The wording and icons are consistent across desktop and mobile layouts, even if the toolbar is compact. A couple of practical tips as you get used to Renko. First, indicators can still be used, but their signals may feel different because the chart is no longer time-based. That's expected. Second, if the bricks seem too sensitive or not sensitive enough, remember that Renko is based on a brick size. TradingView applies a default method to determine it, and more experienced users often fine-tune that in settings to match their strategy. You don't need to change anything to start exploring. Just be aware of how brick size influences what you see. To recap, open your chart, click the chart type icon next to Indicators, select Renko, and you're done. Enjoy the cleaner view and let it help you focus on trend and structure with fewer distractions.